Rupali and many other people have asked, a lot of us have lost jobs. I had a job for 25 years, I lost it due to COVID. Now I feel helpless and depressed. What can we do to come out of this?
Keep looking around, you will get some job. Always think of other ways in which you can sustain your life. For all this you need to believe you can do it. You will come out of the crisis. And meditation, breathing, knowledge, wisdom, all this will give you that inner strength that you need at this time, and it also will invoke the intuitive ability inside of you. Yeah.
Barbara Ross from LA has asked, it is said that one's true calling is their dharma. What is the link between our dharma and our career? And is it possible for my dharma to be a job I don't enjoy?
You see, even some job when they appear to be enjoyable in the beginning, down the line you will stop enjoying. It's like, you like apple pie and you keep eating apple pie on a daily basis. Less than a month's time you will stop liking it. In fact, you will start hating apple pie. So, don't try to find joy in the job. Your job must be an expression of joy. And joy you find within yourself. Joy is where you find in art, music, meditation, yoga. All this will bring you joy. Service will give you joy. If you help others, that will give you joy. But on a career level, you must see which is best for you, which pays you well, and where you need to go, you must do that. That's your dharma.
Sandhya has asked, how to not be jealous of others' success, especially when you know them closely?
Just look up and see on this planet, so many people have been there. Cleopatra has been here. Alexander the Great have been here. There has been so many such great men and women have walked on this path, and they've all, the ultimate place for them all is their grave. So even the person on whom you are jealous, they are not going to be here permanently. One day they will also hit the mud, right? They will merge with the soil. So know this, everything in this life is temporary. Everything is ephemerent here. So even your life, you are not going to be here forever. You are in a transit launch, my dear. Do you get jealous in the transit launch because someone is sitting in a comfortable chair, or you don't get a chair, you have to stand in the airport? No, you don't mind, because you know it's a matter of few minutes and then you will get your seat in the plane, right? In the same way, life, when seen from a bigger perspective, bigger picture, will free you of all this jealousy, hatred, anger, all these negative emotions which become so difficult for a civilized human being to bear, will simply disappear. That is why this knowledge, this wisdom is very essential in life.